what is the illness according to you? If you don't treat your wife well, she goes in depression, and that's an illness. And the allegation of ill treatment is bad. I have been spending money and time on her treatment. Suppose she would not have been suffering from mental illness, and later in life, as your wife, if she would have fallen ill, would you have behaved like this? It's not done. It's not said. Unless you say that these are the grounds which makes it almost impossible for me to live with her, and taking this opportunity, a case has been lodged against me.
498A, my lord, unfortunate husband, my lord.
Why unfortunate?
Unfortunate because
you have had good relation with your wife for some time, and now with this dispute, you will have another round of marital bliss or something.
It was not the allegation. She was undergoing.
Unfortunate is the wife.
Mental illness, my lord, she was undergoing. And concealing this fact, his marriage was solemnized.
Suppose, Mr. Counsel,
I was conducting treatment of her.
Suppose she would not have, she would have disclosed, she would not have been suffering from mental illness. And later in life, as your wife, if she would have fallen ill, would you have behaved like this?
But I am not behaving in any ill manner, my lord. I am always ready for treatment and I am conducting.
Now, what does the wife say?
The wife has only said that there was a demand of bullet motorcycle which she was not able to fulfill the same, and therefore omnibus and general allegation against all the
What is the illness according to you?
My lord, I have annexed the...
If you don't treat your wife well, she goes in depression, and that's an illness.
This is not the allegation.
All right.
Indeed.
Now, what
Annexure 3, my lord,
defense? I mean, all this reaction on the court is only because of your opening argument that you are unfortunate that your wife is ill, and therefore it has evoked a sharp response from the bench.
Therefore, my lord, I am saying myself unfortunate. Annexure 3, my lord,
this should not have been your gambit argument.
Yes.
You don't begin your case with this, that my wife is suffering from mental illness. It's not done. It's not said. Unless you say that these are the grounds which makes it almost impossible for me to live with her, and taking this opportunity, a case has been lodged against me. This cannot be your gambit argument. I think I have communicated the fallacy of your argument. You can say that because you were insisting for treatment of your wife, which she was not agreeable to, and therefore the relationship has soured. I mean, if you have to conjure up a point, do it which is acceptable to the court.
She was undergoing treatment since 2014.
You can say this in a different way, that the allegation of ill treatment is bad. I have been spending money and time on her treatment. तो आप ये सब छोड़ के आप unfortunate she is ill. Starting argument कर देंगे तो बहस कैसे आगे बढ़ेगा? So you will hear all.
Sorry.
No, not sorry. A matter which could have been decided in 1 minute, you have made the court say so many things to you. Why? Mr. Sudamas.
18 में शादी हुई है, 18 से इनका.
He is ready for settlement and negotiation. Are you ready?
Always.
My lord, ले दें, हम जाने के लिए कभी भी
दोनों चीज के लिए तैयार हैं. या तो ले जाएं और नहीं ले जाएं.
हमारे पास तो कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. हुजूर से तो
वो तो समझ
हम
गए.
जाने के लिए तैयार
हैं और नेगोशिएशन के लिए भी तैयार हैं.
एक मेरे पास है लड़की हुजूर जो डिप्रेशन से सफर किए. अब हम क्या बोले?
करें क्या ये बताएं आप. हम बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. हम करें क्या ये बताएं.
हमको ले दें और हम क्या बोले.
अगर नहीं ले जाए, अगर ले जाने में कोई परेशानी है तो वन टाइम सेटलमेंट वगैरह एग्रीएबल हो गया
हुजूर.
तो मैं खारिज करूंगा इनकी बेल. अगर उससे आपका फायदा हो तो मैं खारिज कर दूंगा.
ओम प्रकाश बोले हम लोगों की शादी जो अभी अल्लो बैड हो चाहे गुड हो, सिस्टम है उसको जो लड़की
इंसेन वाला ग्राउंड नहीं लेंगे. वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है टू. इट्स एन अपहिल टास्क फॉर यू टू प्रूव दैट.
आई एम नॉट टेकिंग दैट ग्राउंड, my lord.
Don't take that ground. That's an advisory from the bench. You may not be able to get any relief. Yes.
हुजूर इसके साथ तो ये है कि दूसरी शादी तो हो नहीं सकती. इसके साथ प्रॉब्लम यही है. और हुजूर एमए पास लड़की में कोई कमी नहीं है. ले जाए, जरूरत है तो ट्रीटमेंट कराए. हम लोग
आप बस आप देखिए, explore the possibility and please be sympathetic and compassionate to a person with
I
whom
am
you have
always.
betrothed yourself.
I am always.
All right. Heard Mr.
Om Prakash Upadhyay.
Heard Mr. Om Prakash Upadhyay for the petitioner and Mr. Sudama Singh for the opposite party number 2. The petitioner, who is the husband of OP number 2, seeks bail in anticipation of his arrest in connection with so-and-so. Though the accusation in the FIR is ill treatment because of non-fulfillment of dowry demand, but learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the story is otherwise. The marriage had been solemnized after concealing the mental illness of the opposite party number 2. Notwithstanding the aforesaid fact, the petitioner has been spending time and money over the treatment of his wife. For some reason or the other, the relationship between the spouses have now soured and they are staying separately. Mr. Sudama Singh, learned advocate for the OP number 2, however, has a different story to narrate. He submits that the opposite party number 2 has been suffering from depression because of the disturbed matrimonial relationship with her husband. It has been submitted that she is ever ready to enter into negotiations with the petitioner for an amicable settlement of dispute, preferably for resumption of matrimonial life. Mr. Upadhyay, learned advocate for the petitioner, however, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits upfront that the petitioner also would be desirous of exploring all possibilities of an effective and amicable settlement between the spouses, which would be good for both of them. Considering the aforesaid stand of the parties, this court directs that in the event of the petitioner surrendering before the court below within a period of 6 weeks, the same order.
All right.